So we left at 10:15 and it's 1:09. 10, 11, 12, 1, 3 hours.
3 hours back. What time is it right now? 1:09?
1:09.
We'll get home about 9. And you say, where's my supper? I'm like, Clinton. Don't I?
Do what?
I sound like Clinton. Dude Clinton. Well, I forgot his name.
Who are you talking about?
The dude Clinton.
The president?
Which was president, I think he was president.
Talking about Bill Clinton?
Yeah, that's his name. That was the name.
Do that again, Chris. Oh, there we go. That's Chris. Hollywood Chris. Do what?
I said, I am man, don't want no petite crap anymore.
Okay, guys, we're almost there. Let's do it. Let's do it. We need everybody involved. Chris, we need everybody involved.
Hey, Papa. Let's leave Chris without a paddle. Just say, hey, Chris, let's see paddle. Just jump out. I remember when I did that to Quan.
We made it to Cedar Island. There we go.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Chris, go ahead and get out.
Hey, dog track.
Pull me up there.
Papa's going
I think there's a bear tracks, man.
There's some kind of track. Ooh, I love this water. Now this water's nice. Woo!
I can't see him from here. I'll come up there and look at him.
Oh!
There's a grave marker over. What's that grave marker say?
It says, here lies Jeff Kincaid. In memory of 3 fine old gentlemen who loved this island. Jack Griswold, Robertson Hankel, Les Hoggard. Big Cedar Island, 1977.
Oh my gosh, we're at Cedar Island, Big Cedar Island.
There's been something walking on this thing.
What? Okay, don't go out there too far.
Oh, I got him. All right, that was cool. I said, smack.
I can't believe that bumblebee was chasing us like
I
that.
can't believe I smacked it with this stick. It's getting sunk.
Chris is doing the twist on the shore of Cedar Island, Big Cedar Island. Here's the remnants of a house. There's a chimney right there. And where's the house at over here? Here it is right here. There's a house right there.
Do you think that's their house? Oh, there's that bee again. Dude, you aren't dead yet.
Papa, show them what
Out of your misery.
tracks.
Whew.
I think it's still trying to move.
Duck blind out there.
Wham! 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 That was cool as crap. I still can't believe I hit him. I thought I would miss. I smacked the crap out of him.
Yeah, that was an accident.
Oh.
Go.
Wait, no, move your head, Papa. Move
What
your
is
head.
that? What kind of track is that, you
It's a
think?
bear.
That looks like a boot. That's the front of the boot and that's the back.
No. There you retard.
It's like a
Right here, this
bear.
one right here.
It's a
I know.
bear. It's,
I know that ain't no
Look
deer.
at that, look at that. What is that?
I can't tell.
Dang. Look
I
at
wanna
this,
see
look at
this
that
track right
seashell,
here.
I think it is.
There it is right there.
This
See
is
that
fun.
track?
Look at these tracks over here. Oh my God!
Look at that track. What is
Look
that?
at this. Look at this. That's a horse track.
bear! Bear in the canoe! Oh, if a bear came, how are we gonna get out? Who will push us
I'm getting in the freaking canoe. I ain't waiting on you. I'm getting in the canoe and I'm pushing
Who
off.
will push us off? David, look how far.
It's cold and I'm getting my shirt wet, so I can stay cool.
Okay.
Sweaty.
Look at me, people. We're leaving Papa. Let's go under there.
No, really, we are leaving.
David, let's go in the water right here. Ready? Go. We're in the army. We're in the army.
You guys are crazy. All right, we got to get back in the canoe and
Who do you think won the wet
continue
t-shirt contest?
circumnavigating this island.
I love this. We need to
Leaving the island. We're leaving the island now, and we're out here in the choppy water out in the middle of the bay.
Whoa, I didn't even touch ground yet.
Whoa, let me see something.
It's a little deep out here.
David, don't try to do that.
There it is.
Okay, yep, that's not too bad. The island is back here. See you, Cedar Island.
David, you're letting me go.
I didn't do that.
Okay, paddle guys, let's go.
Come on, David, paddle. Turning the boat that way. We're trying to go over there. Okay, then.
Oh, fish. Did you hear it jump?
I heard it.
Oh, yeah. Well, you guys got it made, don't you?
My eyes were closed.
Just sit relaxing and letting Papa do all the paddling.
I think we're supposed to go in here. I'll fall asleep.
I'm paddling.
All right, we're headed back from Cedar Island.
Stopped at our stop. We stopped at it first.
We already passed the boat dock. We stopped there, took a few pictures. Now we're at our halfway point between the boat dock and the parking lot. You guys are taking a little break. We're all tired.
Necks hurt.
Yeah, our necks hurt.
Awesome. Oh,
So here we are, back here again.
look, they got little plants in them.
More slam out.
Pop, I'm about to need you to take a video or something. Okay?
What?
What?
All right, we'll see you at the parking lot.
Alright. Okay, ready? Set. Go. It's dirty. I might have to do it in some clear water. Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
Alright, chat, go.
God! God! Hey, look at that! Oh, man! Oh, fight! Hey, what is that?
We're coming into the the parking lot at Back Bay. Straighten it up, guys.
What is
I'm helping.